Hello. In this fourth session of environmental science, we discuss about food chain, food webs, ecological pyramids. So, what is a food chain? So, we know that even we take food from the plant. A deer takes food from the plant, and a lion takes food from the deer. So, what happens? The energy or a food level transfer from one organism to the another organism. So, the sequence of eating and being eaten in an ecosystem is called food chain. So during this food chain, the transfer of food energy from the plant through a series of organisms is happening. If it is a linear one, we call it as food chain. And if it is a complex system, then we call it as a food web. So this is an example for a food chain in a grassland. So see, the grasses are eaten by the grasshopper, and grasshoppers are taken by the frog, and frog is taken by the snake, and then the snake will be taken by eagle. So this is a linear movement of an energy from one organism to another organism. We call it as food chain. So the food chain in a pond. So what happens? The food chain in a pond. The algae and detritus materials are taken by the fishes, and the fishes are being taken by the ducks and some other aquatic the birds which we take food from the aquatic things and the eagle which take it. So the food continues from one organism to another organism in linear chain. See the food chain in a forest. Plant, it's been taken by a deer, sheep, or something else, and it has been taken by the fox, lion, or tiger, etc. And then it undergoes a decomposition. So, what are the types of food chain? The types of food chain are one is grass to decomposes. The grass is taken by a caterpillar, caterpillar taken by the frog, frog taken by the snake, snake taken by the eagle. Another one is detritus, the end product, the dead organic matter decomposite. So this is a detritus food chain. Dead leaves have been eaten by wood loaves and it has been eaten by the bird. What is a food web? Food web is an interlocking pattern of various food chain ecosystem. It's not a linear one. It's a complex one. It has a multiple interlocking systems. For example, a plant has been taken by the goat. Goat can be directly taken by a jackal or a lion. Or a rabbit can take the plant. The rabbit can be taken by a wild cat. So a bird can take the mouse or rabbit and snake and so on. So it is an interlocking pattern. So we go for another one. We call it as ecological pyramids. So what is an ecological pyramid? An ecological pyramid is a graphical representation of trophic structure, how the things fed by other one. The trophic levels are the feeding position in the food chain, such as primary producers, herbivores, primary consumers. So this is a pyramid-like structure. The bottom is the thing is bought. That is the producers and the primary consumers are a little bit small, and then the secondary consumer, then the tertiary consumer at the top of the ecosystem. So type of pyramids. There are three types. One is energy pyramid. Another one is pyramid of numbers. Another one is pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of numbers. So pyramid of numbers is a graphical representation of number of individuals per unit area in each trophic level. Lower number of the top carnivores occupy the tip. Large number of producers occupy the base. A pyramid of energy. The pyramid of energy is a graphical representation, the flow of energy from one trophic level to the other. So here also, the broad base we have, which indicates primary producers are more and the consumers, decomposers are less. Pyramid of biomass represents the biomass which is calculated at the each trophic level per unit area. So producers have a large biomass and the top level contributors have very less biomass. So you can refer these things for additional informations. Thank you.